Are you looking for a great video conferencing app to host a masterclass, a training session, or a workshop? Then you're in the right place. We've done all the research so you don't have to do it. In this video, we'll highlight the best app that you can choose from, including all the critical details and features you will need to consider in order to make the right decision. But before we begin, here are two important statistics worth knowing. Did you know that according to Shift Learning, online classes save 40 to 60% of your time compared to traditional setup? And IBM research findings have made it clear that every $1 invested in e-learning brings $30 worth of productivity and upgraded skills. So, using the right video conferencing app is bound to save you both time and money. So let's get started. Here are the 5 best video conferencing apps for online classes right now. At number 5 is an app for corporate professionals hosting workshops and trainings. It's Cisco Webex. With it, you can host online classes and enjoy file share, group chat, and recording features. Since it's a premium price product, the app is ideal for business setups. Number 4 on the list is Google Meet. Hosting online classes on this app, however, is mostly convenient for those with Gmail accounts. It allows users to make the most of G Suite products and access cloud-based documents such as Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides on the go. The challenge, however, is that you can only view 16 participants at a time on screen, and video quality might degrade as more and more participants join in. Number 3 on this list is Zoom. Like many other video conferencing apps, Zoom supports both remote and hybrid education setups. In its paid version, users can enjoy live captioning and transcription features. With the unpaid version, the 40-minute cutoff would be a major limitation on top of the fact that cloud file sizes are not always consistent. Second on this list is Microsoft Teams, an app that comes with an education plan. With it, you can host an online class with up to 300 students and enjoy quick access to other Microsoft apps. The only drawback would be that you won't be able to invite guest users to access all files and folders, and the app's complex interface might prove confusing to new users. Top on this list is TelebuJoin, but we'll start with a disclaimer. TelebuJoin is not exactly an app, but a browser-based platform. However, it deserves a spot on this list for that exact reason. This cloud-based platform lets everyone join an online class at the single click of a button. No download needed. And that eliminates one of the biggest challenges with online classes right now. It makes the whole joining class process seamless. If this was helpful, you might be ready to pick your favorite among the above recommended video conferencing apps. If that's the case, wouldn't it be a good idea to start with a free trial or a demo? If TelebuJoin is what you feel would make the most sense, feel free to contact us and get started for free. Visit www.join.telebu.com today.